Hi, this is our medical drugs kit bag. As you can see, it's made from a very white, clean, waterproof 500 denier material. All of the handles are really strong webbing, just like you have in your car seats, really, really strong. And we have different handles, whether you want a shoulder strap like this with the metal fixings, makes it really durable, or equally, you also have the padded handles here for a grab handle. On the zip, YKK, very important because again, it's durability, it will survive. We can join them together if you want a security seal, or you open them up. I should also add on this bag, you can see we have the identification label here, as well as the high-vis strip. Within the bag, we also have another identification pocket for your documents or just to describe what you have within. And we have a series of inner compartments, all different color coded, so you can identify which drugs are in which area. Nice and quickly, pull it out, there's a zip, open it up, and you'll see you have lots of little elastic hold-all areas. All of this material has been designed with infection control in mind. It is all wipe clean and no Velcro. That's your drugs kit bag.